need to just use that stuff for Saga.
Say wait, go drink water. I think don't put for speed. I beg, go drink water. Speech food.
I don't want drink. What can I do? They hungry me.
Water, yeah, though.
I don't want drink. I don't want drink anything. I beg, I need the opportunity. In a God, in a God, then they beg. Thank you for dropping that girl. And you're telling me that I go drink water. If water they hungry me, I don't know where water they. If water they hungry me, know where water, I don't know where water they. I was say Goya, the echo better. When I go drink water, come over that week we want go. You want me? I don't know how collect. But I know the year what? You be God. Raise your mama no matter who when the year no wrong come who. The year no I am master where I be. The year no I'm here for 3 children, 3 fathers. I'm not here who welcome. I don't know where we are. You be God. You go people they beg you. Go be like someone they beg at the pump. When they beg at the pump, you don't beg at the pump. Nothing to beg again. Not so oh yeah. Nonsense. You're too much. You didn't talk about it. You know they see as if they talk. If they talk, if you want to call Enogie or you want to come mama no oh penny go back oh money go back. You be God. Us I don't know where here. Nonsense. Get up. Goya, get up. Get up. Get up, Mercy. Mercy, you're a cup better. May I make you a cup better with Monica? Get up, Mercy. You get better. You did not say Enogie. You not see Enogie when you talk to. Who work at Enogie? They not follow, sir. Who work at Enogie? Enogie, no, yeah. Who work at Enogie? Not follow, sir. Oh, woman, I the carry belly. Now, man, I the carry belly. Oh, when I'm a call. Oh, when I'm a call. Man, I not give me gift for this idiot. The platform. Man, I not give me gift. I don't come. Man, that's what I say. And I give maybe come. I bet man, I not give me gift for a platform. I don't need that here. What soon? Where if you got up, say, na, gift in that effect on your platform. Now, talk I can't talk to her. No one you are born. Whoever you never go up. No soon. People they beg you. You have to game. Let's say your TV is you have to game. You don't know say another mad or when they want corner for Tito. You say your mic, your head, your brain day. You don't know say another over the day. You don't know say another over the day. Women, you the crazy you mad. You don't know say what all day. For your neck, I don't know who else stop or will not stop. You be God. People they beg you. Even they don't even get your time again. When you go, you want perfect. Now, welcome you. So maybe when 2 mad people meet each other, that's it they be. You understand? You understand me? They feel like when 2 mad people meet, that's it they be. Yeah, we don't go on. Umagi go on now, mama no get now, mama no ra. Unwe hana. You know what wrong? Oh, yeah, come, they mad, 2 mad people there. Put your off of this screen. Now get the mad in each other. After we're here. Tell me the wish. After mama do a shower. You see, because he every time give you now. Where? Wet my go drink water. Mama the water come on green me. You go run away, Pierre.
Goya, Goya, let me say that God. Goya, tell us to go better phone first. More than see and well. Go back good for a sake. Go back good for
now.
say your background to the door. Your background to the door. Say if you want Saga or president, Goya, you go back better phone first. You're bearing light. We will see you clear.
No, I'm not getting lag. I'm not getting money.
Because for this platform, so we don't talk everything for you.
Not the back. If you not be in this, see me well. Go and go carry your children.
If you don't get good phone, say. If you don't get good phone, say. If you don't get good phone, say. Good job for this platform.
If you not see me well like this man, that's Saga God,
Because for this platform, so we didn't talk everything for year. We didn't talk everything for this platform.
Tell your children. Thank you, God. You know your job.
Okay, now house arrest.
You know your job. I love that. And the last person where get discipline like this.
Okay.
Go back to our Saga. Goya, where did make your mama buy your papa? Where go wrong for no other man? I want to make you answer me. If you answer me, I will answer you. If you ask me, I will say answer you. Talk now. Why your mama buy your papa? You can't go wrong for no other man. Umagi go on. Any can buy a girl. Umagi go on. If the mama now, on the way I got there. Oh, yeah, Guana. Guana. You know what I'm saying? No, you know anybody will go beg out, say, man, not to talk about it again. Now, who go kill that person, mama? He go kill papa. He go kill generation. He go kill children. I'm going. If you rest for no get matter, or who go kill you? He go kill your children, join them. Not the one.
At least before you Saga person, dress like woman, no we know whether na woman you be.
The person where they bully children. Now me be the king of bully children. Now me the runner.
Before you Saga her, dress well.
I don't
like
want
man.
dress. As I the dress, shut up. As I the dress.
Shut up your mouth. Tell you be.
The dress.
At least dress like woman.
If you dey prison, you the dress. No go be well.
Before you come for better pass, you dress well.
The dress.
For your mind, your head is hot.
No, not your hot. It's not your hot.
Don't get depressed. That depression with this.
How you dey know?
Don't go, doctor. You know the shame. 7 years for house arrest. You know the shame. Tell you go be like wish. You don't get depressed. Don't go, doctor. Don't go, enter IC. Show the shame. DJ Chris went to see Peter. That way they beat that day. Don't go, doctor. You don't get the shame. You wear your neighbor fuck when you give you belly. You want to come up and arrest us? When you the shame it's your fellow.
Children, I mean, I dey come for you. Man, I wait. Go your fast. Man, never start. Man, I wait. Una go cry blood. Saga never start. About they cry. Saga never ever start. But what's my journey? Goya, you never welcome me. You never ever welcome me. You supposed to welcome me. Then your fans don't they cry. Then your fans they never ever cast Saga like this. You have one son. Wahala Deyooh. So. Saga my swan. You are what's my baby. That's the way they Saga. Only my Goya. Man, they get straight to want to do the Saga. This is not going to leave Mama Nora. This is not going to leave Enogie. You don't get any topic for your generation again. You don't get for your entire life again. Now, I'm welcome. I don't understand. I'm welcome. Goya, stand up. I want to see your bed. Let's see my bed. I'm not using filter. Baby, echo baby. Get up, most yo. Most yo. You not see what where they are arrest. It's still fresh. Go here when say you get freedom. Most yo. Most yo. Now me supposed to get baby. Now me they sit down for one place. Now me they eat. I know the waka come outside. Now it's as the day. Now me supposed to get there. Echo better. Echo better. Echo better. Now me supposed to get that. You wear the waka. See your belly. Go your side up. See me. No, see, no, sir. No, you see, sweetie. You see any mark? I like you. You know the time when they put that clapping. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. If I see it for TikTok, the way they talk, you know the whole break. Enogie. For your men, I told you what do. Now make Mama Nora with your husband. They call it wow. When he say when Cassie get quarrel, now come the talk say now juju. So now you use of juju Enogie. May God cheat on his wife. Now see you. When you only to give yourself glory. When you are the most war, why not the only to give myself glory? So this not make quarrel. Now today, Mama Nora will say, look at the quarrel. Now today they quarrel. Now you have to do the one way they do last year. Now you all to do. The one way they do last 2 years. Now you all to do. Nonsense. Una go cry blood. Una go cry blood. Go your cause, we never ever start. And that's when almost the way I give less contract. It be like say almost of the pen up go one side first. May I use my not see and go your fast. How they can love Goya. I'm not seeing my cry. Yeah, I beg you for what? I want to my cry. What fear? Oh yeah, Goya, get up. Come bring scream, see your belly, go better. Mosia. Come on, stand up.
I say shut up. I want to see one question. I want to just ask you one question. Shut up. You don't wash your toto since morning. You don't wash your toto. You don't wash your toto. Oh yeah, shower. You don't wash your toto. You don't wash your toto. No, she gonna look my profile. If you carry my picture, come the course I go be with you. Idiots.
No man, no.
I don't already carry. No bother. I don't already carry.
Father, they come for you.
You don't
wash your toto this morning.
No bother.
You don't wash your toto this morning.
No man, no.
You don't wash your toto. Dirty girl.
Why you drop them now? If I say make you drop them, you drop them. Thank God say don't put me together my bishop.
But yes, stand up, keep your shares, continue your saga.
That one they come by, don't play your fish. I don't need Esther. Make the yeah, where? Smack down. Yeah, where? Anyhow, where? Your own. I don't screenshot you on your useless husband. Yeah, give it. You go, you don't fear.
No, stand up. Saga.
You don't play. When I say that you get up, you get up.
You want to go down?
When I say that you get up,
I want that you keep your share now, Saga. They like your saga. Keep your share.
You get up. You don't crazy. Get up.
You never ready. You're
where almost like dirty ass motherfucker, bitch. No better for the man where you belle. When you bump him, we not know their papa. You want to consider do Saga? Are you a vagabond? If you know so you want to do Saga, come stand up. You dey crazy. I want to drain you. You need to be drained. I want to drain you. Make you get migrated dick. You dey crazy. Come up. If you sit down, I'll carry you down. Your papa won't be ra. What a dish. You can go look when you and look your gbera or bijou bay. We are come up. Stand up. If you sit down, you go down. Everybody go down. A Saga. May come. You must stand up. You are stay big screen. Come on, camera. Come on, camera. Camera. Oh yeah, no problem. Stand up. Go stand up. No problem. I don't hear you. Go stand up. You can't do that. If you want to Saga, stand up, may I carry you up. And if you say may I carry you up, come up, you sit down again. Stand up and do Saga. Don't sit down. Are you a foolish fool? If you stand up, if you sit down, do Saga. As you should be, I want me you talk. Mona not carry anybody come up, my love. Daddy, welcome in. I've seen you, baby. Only she, Mona carry her come up. Make she stand up. If she not stand up, fall her down. Make she all do Saga. We'll give her extra 1 hour. When you come on camera, Mona mute her first. If she not get on camera, she go down. Come on camera first. Come on camera. Stand up. Yo, stand up. Now to block her now, she don't want to do Saga. Oh yeah, stand up now. Stand up now. Stand up, I don't hear you. Stand up, do Saga now. Mona just they carry her down, she don't ready. You stand up, they do Saga, you they crazy, you they mad. I want to drain you. They say in the hospital you they come from, so they give you house arrest. Mona send me the record when she take us Enogie. I beg, Mona send me.
You want to you don't tell your mama finish.
No problem now.
Mama finish.
Mute. Come on camera. The last time if I carry exam, oh yeah, Mona send me the record of.
You don't advise your mama may not do a shower again. You don't advise your own mother may not do a shower again.
Mona carry
You
exam.
don't advise her. You want advise.
She don't tire for Saga. Mona not carry her come up. She don't tire. Mo leave her. Mona send me this thing. Counselor. Mona sweaty counselor. May I call counselor? Counselor, you know better for your papa when you just send me this record. You don't postpone your insult. Counselor, Ogo Ogbera, Ogbe Enogie by Ogo Ogbishwe. Wow, you're a bastard. Counselor, Mona sweaty counselor don't send me today. Dear Goya, I am directing to inform you that Counselor Sarah on the Counselor, may I put your papa photo? Are you a bastard? You a crazy? Counselor, if you get Saga, come now. Counselor, you know, say that today the one before still cost me, they don't postpone that to the 28th. So, here they postpone and they Mona take una share. Mona see the juju man. In case una want call her, Mona help me call her. Mona screenshot her. Mona say una don't say. Now they say where Mona take una share coming from Counselor. But let's read it. It say, dear Goya, I'm directly into say Goya Sarah. You know better for you. No, not say Counselor, you know better for you. I say you be a shower, you dey crazy. God they punish you. You dey mad. You dey crazy. I tell you, say you go suffer from my hands. I say no sabi. I say you are a bastard. Mona send me the record where I said take Counselor Enogie. Now let that one I want to reply. I want me use that me Saga Enogie. Say that give me. You be mad man now. I see. I say I will block you. If you see, I want block you for the last time before I'll block you. Before me want block you now. I tell you say, come up, stand up and do Saga. If you sit down, I'll carry you down. I'm giving you the last opportunity that you have the chance to tell me you're mad. But you must stand up. You're a mad woman. You're a bastard already. Woman, wait, they give 7 years. 7 years for prison. You are not mentally okay. And they do saga with people when they're okay. You know they're okay. So no need. You they get me? So more continue. Sarah Cancelo. He said, if you put Cancelo Sarah, you for put your surname Cancelo. May I put your papa photo here? May I block this girl? This one you don't mad first. You are a mad woman. May I block you? May you go kill yourself. I don't block the bastard. You know.